Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice. Or, as we like to call it here, EVA! Today's topic is vocal impressions. Now, it's come to my attention as of recently that a lot of people think that to be a good voice actor, you have to be a good vocal impersonator. It's far too common when you're saying you're a voice actor that people automatically ask what characters that you can voice. Example, a male being asked, "Can you do Kermit? Oh, what about Mickey Mouse?" I've stated this before. Vocal impressions are good and all, but if you're trying to be a voice actor and not a vocal impersonator, then they're not something that you need to worry about. Yeah, I said it. A voice actor and a vocal impersonator are two different things. Can they overlap? Yeah. Do they need to? No. When it comes to voice acting, I would say that as a good exercise or challenge, that you should find a character with a voice in your vocal range and try your best to mimic them. Record it, listen over it, adjust, and then try again until it's near perfect. But at the same time, if you're interested in just vocal impressions, you can just repeat that over and over with multiple characters. The point I wanted to bring up was that 1, they're different things that indeed can cross over each other and mingle, and 2, that a voice actor who voices a character with an already established voice doesn't need to sound exactly like that voice to be good for the character. Be it a fan-made project or a replacement voice actor for an ongoing series, voice actors might sound similar, but never perfect. The actor, more times than not, isn't worried about sounding like the previous actor. Their focus is on, acting. What their job entails. Okay, I think that's all I have on this topic for today. Thank you for watching. Have any other suggestions or requests for other EVA topics? Leave them in the comments below, or at me on Twitter, Creating Love. I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability. This has been episode number 29 of EVA, and the last one of 2018. We've come a long way. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content. We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!